Q6020-1. As perceptions increase in number, the individual develops insight by A. Assembling them into larger of learning. B. In associated perceptions. C. Organizing demonstrations and explanations. The correct answer is A. It recognizes the process of assembling or grouping perceptions into larger units of learning as a means to develop insights. As individuals accumulate more perceptions or pieces of information, they can start to identify patterns, connections, and relationships among them. By organizing and integrating these individual perceptions into larger units, individuals can develop a deeper understanding and gain insights into the underlying principles or concepts. Insights often emerge when individuals recognize the interrelationships and connections between various pieces of information. By assembling perceptions into meaningful wholes, learners can go beyond isolated facts or observations and start to see the bigger picture. This process of assembling perceptions allows individuals to make connections, infer relationships, and develop a more comprehensive understanding of the topic or subject at hand. Q6013. Which factor affecting perceptions is based on the effectiveness of the use of a properly planned training syllabus? A. Basic need. B. Time and opportunity. C. Goals and values. The correct answer is B. A properly planned training syllabus allows for sufficient time and appropriate opportunities for learners to engage with the content and develop their perceptions. When a syllabus is well-structured and organized, it ensures that learners have the necessary time to process information, practice skills, and reflect on their learning. Time refers to the allocated duration for each learning activity, allowing learners to delve into the subject matter at an appropriate pace. It provides learners with the opportunity to absorb and internalize the content, gradually building their perceptions and understanding. Opportunity, on the other hand, relates to the chance given to learners to actively participate, apply their knowledge, and engage in meaningful learning experiences. An effective training syllabus provides various opportunities for learners to practice, discuss, and interact with the content. These opportunities can include group discussions, hands-on activities, case studies, simulations, or real-world applications. By having sufficient time and opportunities within a properly planned training syllabus, learners can engage deeply with the material, explore different perspectives, and develop more comprehensive perceptions. This promotes a richer and more meaningful learning experience, enhancing the effectiveness of the overall training program. In summary, the factor affecting perceptions that is based on the effectiveness of the use of a properly planned training syllabus is time and opportunity. A well-structured syllabus ensures that learners have adequate time and appropriate opportunities to develop their perceptions and understanding of the content. 6004. Individuals make more progress learning if they have a clear objective. This is one feature of the principle of A. Primacy. B. Readiness. C. Willingness. The correct answer is B. Readiness refers to the preparedness and willingness of an individual to learn. When learners have a clear objective or goal in mind, they are more likely to be ready and motivated to engage in the learning process. Having a specific target or objective provides learners with a sense of direction and purpose, guiding their efforts and focusing their attention. Clear objectives help individuals understand what they are working towards and what they need to accomplish. This clarity enhances their readiness to learn by creating a sense of anticipation and establishing a framework for their learning journey. It helps learners stay focused, motivated, and committed to achieving their desired outcome. 6005. Providing opportunities for an individual to practice and then directing this process towards a goal is the basis of the principle of A. Exercise. B. Learning. C. Readiness. The correct answer is A. The principle of exercise emphasizes the importance of practice and learning. By providing opportunities for individuals to actively engage in practice, they can reinforce their learning and develop proficiency in a particular skill or area of knowledge. The principle of exercise recognizes that practice is essential for skill development and knowledge retention. Through repeated practice and application of what has been learned, individuals strengthen their neural pathways, improve their abilities, and enhance their understanding. Moreover, the principle of exercise highlights the importance of directing the practice process towards a specific goal. By setting clear objectives and aligning practice activities with those goals, individuals can focus their efforts and work towards achieving desired outcomes. This goal-directed practice helps individuals stay motivated, monitor their progress, and make adjustments as needed. 6005-1 drill and practice method of training delivery is based on the learning principle of A. Intensity, B. Recency, C. Exercise. The correct answer is C. The drill and practice method focuses on repetitive exercise and practice to reinforce learning. This method involves structured and repeated practice of specific skills or knowledge to promote mastery and retention. The principle of exercise recognizes that practice is a fundamental aspect of learning. Through repeated exercise and practice, individuals strengthen neural connections, reinforce learning, and improve their performance. The drill and practice method leverages this principle by providing learners with ample opportunities to engage in focused practice activities. In the drill and practice method, learners are presented with targeted exercises or tasks designed to enhance specific skills or knowledge. These exercises are often structured and repetitive, allowing learners to practice and refine their abilities in a controlled and guided manner. By engaging in extensive practice, learners develop fluency, automaticity, and proficiency in the targeted area.